Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Uniquely Tay. In today's video, we are going to be doing a DIY train. This is a train solely made out of cardboard boxes. This particular DIY was inspired by a actual decoration that I saw in one of my neighbor's yard down the street from me. And I had wanted to create one to go in my house. And I love how it looks. Pretty much, I'm going to tell you what you're going to need. You're going to need a variety of different sizes of boxes. Make sure you don't throw away any type of boxes that you have in your house. So pretty much right here, I have, so you can see from the side, this is a planter, a little small planter from Dollar Tree. I got that covered. So when I spray paint, it won't get turned red. Some extra cardboard that I had as my light. This is a smaller box. This is a pop shelf box, to be honest. This is a box that my mom had in inside of the garage. These are 2 boxes from Thanksgiving, smaller boxes that we had cakes in. So you're gonna need 1 larger box, 2 medium boxes. You're going to also need a smaller box in front, right there, and your planter. And I'm going to also share with you how to do your wheels. I am going to be using the Rust-Oleum Apple Red Gloss Paint, which is for indoor and outdoor and fast drying. That's what I'm going to be using to spray the train. So that's stay tuned. All right, everyone. The train has been spray painted and dried. It has been drying for a couple of hours. As you all can see, I used the red apple. I used the red apple Rust-Oleum gloss paint. And as you can see, I used this Ziploc bag to cover up this part of it. I'm going to go under here with a little bit of my red apple barrel paint that I have in my house. And it looks really good. That's the only little touch-ups that I have to do. That's pretty much it. Those little containers on the side, my grandma wants to make a mini train like my big train. So I went on ahead and like spray painted her stuff while I was doing my stuff. So I'm just going to take this off. There we go. Just got to make some minor touch-ups. Add the wheels. It's what our next goal is. And to add windows and some other special touches. All right. Getting ready to show you all how I painted the wheels. Only thing I did was use jet black paint for from Apple Barrel, and I just painted in between like that. That's all I did. Trying my best not to get it like all over the red part, but that's pretty much what I did. Then I even got in between my creases right here. See, I got a little bit up there. I could get that off when I go through to recoat it with a few sprays. It's no big deal. There we go. Got most of it all. And then you will continue to do that even on this side. You just go through all your different sizes of your wheels and you just fill them in. Ooh, sorry y'all. All right, that was just a quick overview of what I did. Then your wheel will be like black like that. I gotta do a few more touches on that. Just want to give you a quick overview of what the wheels will look like. All right, I'm getting ready to give you this quick little hat that I did for my gifts that's inside of my train. Just want to share. You see how that came out? It's nothing but wood. It's hollow on the inside. I wanted to actually put gifts and stuff inside of the train itself. So in order to do that, I didn't want anything weighted because as you know, the train is made out of cardboard. So you have to really be careful what you put in cardboard. Everything that's inside the train itself is very light. It's like either minimum amount or really nothing at all in it. So you will take one of these Dollar Tree little wood boxes, and it's very light. These Dollar Tree wood boxes are light. You would turn it like this. I just have a piece of wrapping paper from last year that was in my wrapping paper box. We're gonna just wrap it. That first piece of tape there. This project was the biggest DIY project I have ever done since I've been on YouTube. I've never made a train at all since I've been on YouTube. And I never made a DIY this large. So, and you don't have to wrap it pretty. Like, it's just going inside the box. So, I'm super excited about being able to do this DIY. It got to be fancy or pretty, because you're going to turn this box right on over. No one's going to know that it's a box unless you tell them. So we're going to it's going to look real messy. I'm getting ready to show you how it look on the inside. But when you flip it over, it's going to be really, really neat. Let's see if I can fold it just like that. All right. All right, here we go. So let's add more tape. And y'all, it's gonna look really, really messy. Don't mind that part, because when you flip it over, like I said earlier, no one would never know. I'm just gonna make sure it's taped real good, per usual. So when I maneuver it around, see? Told you it's gonna look real neat. We're gonna add a cute little bow to it. Let's see, we got white. And we also got silver. I think I'm gonna go with the silver one. So I already did a red one. And that's it. Just want to share that quick little hack of wrapping. And you can use this for other things also too, for your home. You don't necessarily have to use it for what I'm using it for. But I just thought it was really, really cute to do this, because I knew I needed some lightweight stuff to go inside of. So that's it. Isn't that cute, y'all? So cute. I got two of them in the same size. All right, let's get back into the train. This is a quick overview of the train itself. I'll let you see. There we go. There we go. All right.